Hello, my name is Rajendra Janak, and in this session, I can teach you a short method with for loop. Suppose, uh, suppose I have an array. In that array, I have lots of elements. Like let array is equals to like 45, 12, 45, 12, 65, 12, 1, 3, 2, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, and 12. Suppose I have this array. So now what I will do, suppose I have to sort this array in an ascending order. So basically in ECMAScript 6 we have one method which is called sort. So in that also we can easily do this task. So like dot array dot map short basically. So short, and in that we are passing a callback function. Short is also a function. So in that we are passing a callback function, which is one is a and second one is b, and then basically writing a minus b. And then I have to console this array. So I got this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 12, 32, 40, 45, 65. So this is our first method. This is our first method to solve this question, and one second method to solve this question. And second method is basically what we are writing in it. So we in second method basically we use for loop. Okay. So with the help of for loop, how to solve this short method? Basically, in interview also, interviewer can ask these questions. That write a program to pass the element in an ascending order in an array like that. So if we use a short method, then he tell without using short method you have to solve these questions. So without using short, we basically create that conditions in it. So in that, first we have to write is I is equals to 1, I is less than equals to is less than equals to array dot length, and then I plus plus. So in that what happened in that array, I have put I value which is this, not a zero. It is a first position. So now I'm taking one more for loop, and in this for loop I'm putting first indexing start from zero. Okay, so I have put zero because see in this array now our this value is j, which is j, and this will become a I because I is equals to 1, and in array the indexing start from 0, not from 1. So that's why we have written over here 1. So just keep this thing in mind. This is j and this is I. Okay, so then now we are writing j is less than equals to I. Is less than equals to I and j plus plus. Why I have written here this? Because suppose we are at this position. So the I will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I will become 5 at fifth position, and in this we have to iterate this whole loop. So that's why we got the answer. It doesn't mean that we have seen these two values and we move forward. We have to see from start if this and compare this new value to it. So then afterwards we are basically putting a conditions in this statement, conditional statement. If suppose this is j and this is I. If j is greater than I, like if j is greater than I, if j is greater than I, then we have to do a swapping. We have to put this I value in j. It's no, it j value in I and I value in j. So we are doing a swapping method. So to iterate over and swap the element in the ascending order. Okay. So here I am writing j. What is j? The j is 0. So we want the array of j. Array of like a or a. Our name of our array is array now. So in that array at jth position, j means 0th position, element is greater than array of array of ith position. I position is here 12. If this one is greater than this, then we have to do a swapping. Okay, so basically we write here, let's take one variable and put that variable and initialize that variable to array of uh, it's I think j we have to write because we have to I equal j equal I, area of x is equals to j because j is greater. We have to swap this j into I. So now here we are writing array of I is equals to array of I, no, array of j. Now we are writing here array of j is equals to array of I, because this value should be smaller, so that's why. See, array of j is greater than array of I, then what we have to do, we have to initialize the positions of j to I and I to j. So that's why we are taking one variable, and in that variable we assign the variable j. So we can put this variable in I. So j is equals to I and array of I is equals to j. So in this case, it will iterate the whole loop and give us the answer in the ascending order. So see, okay, what is this? We have to comment it over here. And now we see console.log array. Yeah. Oh no, yeah. This is 1 1 1 1 1 12 x j is equals to I is equals to x. So if we don't put x, so the basically this is value is becoming the j value. It is variable and initialize it by name. So basically we are doing a swapping. And there is one more method of doing swapping. I can explain you later. First you have seen this. See, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Suppose if we put here negative number, then what will be happen? Yeah, in this also it's work like same only. -2, -1. Okay. So that's it. And suppose we have to iterate this in a descending order, then basically we have to write it over here, not greater, less than. Then we see this loop in a descending order. So like this only we are doing. Actually, one important thing in stepping I have to tell to you. Suppose I have one variable a is equals to 12, and let b is equals to let's take it 10. Okay, console dot log a comma b. Now let's check. I cannot use this value before it. Yeah, I am not used. So we will get a is equals to 12 and b is equals to 10. Now what task we have to do? We have to do is that we have to swapping, means the value of a is equals to 10 and the value of b should be 12. So the one thing is come in your mind that we will do like this: a is equals to b and b is equals to a. Then you will get the answer 10 comma 10. I guess, yeah, it's 10 comma 10, because the value of a should be 10 and the value of b should be a. So a here we have said that a is equals to 10. So like this only. So how to swap this without using a third variable? So in third variable, basically we have used it over here, that x is equals to, like suppose we take one more variable a b c. Now I am putting value of c is equals to a, and a is equals to b and b is equals to c. Now let's see what we will. Okay, a c will become c is equals to a is equals to b. Here we have to write b is equals to c. Then I have to write it over here a comma b comma c. Yeah. So here only the value of a is 10, that value of b and the value of b should be. We can also change the value over here also, that the a should be 10 and b is 11. So like this only we are swapping this variable, this number. And there is one more method. uh, Suppose we have task that we have to swap this variable without using third variable. So what we can do in this scenario? We basically do let a is equals to a plus b, and a is equals to a minus b, and then b is equals to b minus b. Now let's see what we will get. A is equals to 111. No, 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 no. It's wrong. What mistake I have done over here? A is equals to C. Here what happened? Now we don't have to use this. A equals to 110 and B equals to 10. It's mean we got it over here 121. It's the sum of 121. Then 121, then A is equals to 121 minus B, means 121 minus 10 is equals to 111. 121 121 minus 10 is equals to 111. That's the value of A. So we have to write it here B. So B should be 111. So we got this one statement correct. And let's write it here. Now A is 121 and okay, 121 minus 111 is equals to, yeah, let's solve this. 121 minus, now the value of B is 111. So minus 111 we get 10. Now let's see what is the answer. Yeah, we have solved this problem. So A, the value of A should be 10 and B is 12. We can also change this value like 12. So it will be become 10, 12. So we have solved this problem. So this is very important. You have to keep in mind. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.